Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm doing a door opening from World of Warriors with me and my brother. Say hi.
Hi.
By the way, he's gonna do the door opening, and so I'm not gonna be playing for Roblox for tomorrow. I might play tomorrow, but let's just see what we get. Hope you enjoy. See you later. So my brother's doing the first door opening, and see what we get. So he gets a super rare, which is cut that again.
Duplicate, but you can put it on the code again.
Yep. If you don't know what was wrong, I'll give you the link to the game so you can play it or verse me. I have 2 months Warriors because I played since 2018. Oh my god, guys. But yeah, subscribe if you want me to make it.
Yeah, and if we do have enough gems, we can open this door and maybe get this guy. This guy's the owner of this game, and if we do get him, he's gonna get super happy.
Yeah, my brother is 13 and I'm 10. It's a legendary, guys.
No way, legendary.
Oh my god.
Let's turn it down to see what we get. And he got badder. I'm legit annoyed.
And also, this is my...
That's an extra 3 more goals for me. That means I got 4 more goals left.
And also, my brother loves my videos, but he doesn't. But he plays Fortnite, and he's a big fan.
Yeah, I think.
Malik said, I don't wanna see you. Get out my flipping life. See what I mean? He's a new warrior. Put it on, brother.
Better good.
Yeah, he's a level 2 Earth boost. And he's better than spiritual better than mother, I guess.
This is level 3.
Level 3. Yeah. Come on, guys. We need to get another legendary.
We're gonna have a legendary, get another 3 goals.
It's not legendary. It's a super rare, maybe. Who knows? It's a rare.
3 more goals left.
Did you hear that, guys? You can see the Dark Knights again. And he's a duplicate, though. I'm quite gonna go suicide if I do not get a legendary. But I'm happy with McCabe and Bella.
I got him McCabe, by the way, and he's a level 4 armor break.
Level 2, you mean? But he's really strong.
Level 2. I say he was the strongest armor break. Let's just get into it.
It's not legendary, that's super rare. How did I
put
know?
10 bears.
Listen, which I do not have.
The Ottoman warrior.
So yeah, YouTube. If you are new to my channel, go subscribe to me. But my brother, I might do a long time on the link, or I might not do a link to his channel. It's a rare, and it's Ivan, the West Boulder player.
Ivan, the West Bogatir.
I don't have him, I think. That's my prediction. Oh, okay. My turn.
1 more goal.
Oh yeah, I forgot that, guys. Sorry about that.
Let's see if this gift works.
It's not legendary. And it's a super rare. And who's this? Quick, right again.
That's 3 times in a row, I'm getting angry with it.
Which are... Thanks my brother. Thank you for Bada. I can't believe we got him. So let's drag him on Bada. Level 11. Oh my god, guys. 3 legendaries, which is Crocker I got from the Western Door. Yes, I did. We have 74 red gems. Cross your fingers.
Oh, by the way, guys, I got Corvus on mine.
Yep.
And Crook.
He's the best at it. Come on. We need a legendary. It's super rare, I'm guessing. Yep. And Kadam again.
Alright, my turn, guys.
Wait a minute. I'm gonna put him on. But I don't know why is this not giving me a legendary. But I'm happy with McCabe and that stuff. But I need another legendary, you should. Level 13. Level 14. Oh, no 14. He just got to low 14. And also, I
Okay,
did
we've
get...
got 99 green gems. Ask my brother, can I open the green door?
Yeah, but we need one more legendary. No, it's a rare, obviously.
It's a rare or a super rare. If it's a duplicate, I get to open.
It's Hannibal.
Is it a duplicate?
Yeah.
Yes, guys, I get to open the green door. I'm so happy.
He didn't do the gold, no, he's happy because I'm getting rid of it.
I'm gonna put it on McCabe because McCabe can destroy armor and he's gonna
No,
destroy.
butter.
He's gonna destroy Warhammer.
Oh, yeah.
So we need him.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm gonna go to the other room and see you guys later and tell my brother what you get.
I'm gonna react so bad. I'll close the headphones if I do shout.
Okay, guys, I'm in the other room and I'm just opening the door. See what we get.
Do not break my headphones. Alright, headphones.
Okay, guys, we got a Lohi.
Okay, guys. He's not that good. Yeah, I'll give it to you.
What do you get? I think it's a duplicate.
Yep, it's not. My turn, guys, on the red door. This will be our last door opening. Come on. It's a super rare.
It's a super rare, but after that, it's my turn again.
It's Gunther.
Okay, my turn now. Is it a duplicate?
Nope, I don't know. But it ain't.
Okay, guys.
I want Wolf at least. Is there a legendary?
Let's do this. Let's turn it down and see what we get. It's a rare. It's Jin again.
Oh my god, guys.
Okay, I guess I open the last two doors for the good luck.
Oh, I could. But who cares, guys? He's gonna do it. Let's drag it on Bada, because he is a good warrior.
Or we can just do McCabe.
Let's know.
McCabe.
Let's do
Or Grim. Just remember, like, you have to be careful because using one warrior in the game could not cover you. I did that, a big mistake, and I didn't. Just 10 bears to be
Cross your fingers for legendary,
the
guys.
last 3 doors.
Can I do that?
Go.
Come on, legendary. I don't know if
It's opening slowly, so let's see what we get. It is a super rare, and we got Ali.
which is new.
The Abbasid warrior.
Sorry guys, you're mistaken. It's not new. It's actually very, very old. Just like Caliban.
Just like Caliban. But yeah, guys, subscribe please. I need to hit 100 subscribers. What was that?
It is a rare.
And it is.
And it is. Guess what it is?
Gunther.
No.
Who?
Guess again.
Gunnar.
No.
Who is it? Tell me. Jin.
Ying.
Ying. Why?
Hey.
Oh. I have to do the outro. Wow, sad news. It's not a legendary.
Sadly, it is a rare again, and it is Cuthbert.
It's not. A
Sorry, Alcant.
The Ottomans.
So guys, just to finish this off, we're just gonna do one blue door just to finish it off.
And then I'll do the outro. Who'd you put on? Oh, the cave. I see. Okay. So, blue door. Cross your fingers for a rare. Guys, subscribe for a good warrior. Is there a warrior?
No, it's a trinket. But before we leave, we need to do this. We need to go to home camp. And we need to go to Grim or McCabe, and then we need to. No, don't want you. I don't.
McCabe is gonna be so strong, guys.
You need to put this on, whatever that is, and that,
That's gonna make him stronger.
and that.
Oh my god, look at his damage! No more!
Okay, McCabe is gonna have full strength, and plus he's gonna have an auto potion, which is gonna make him more stronger and have extra health.
Sorry, I'm just
and then let's just do the outro.
I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you will see my brother soon, but I don't know if he will do another door opening. Subscribe, like my channel, and then you'll see when I get notified. See you later. Bye.